This is an energy savings project.
It's super exciting.
We have exclusive funding through Senate Bill 1149, which diverts dollars to our program that we use exclusively to fund the Energy Trust of Oregon and for school districts to modernize with LED lights throughout the district. There's no cost to the bond fund or general maintenance or even the general fund at all or even the school. It's paid for through my program exclusively. There is less light pollution because you're directing that light down better so the players can see better on the field. But you also have full control, so you can dim the lights any way you want, control any fixture the way you want.
Where the lights twinkle when someone scores a goal.
It's a lot better because last year it was kind of dull and it wasn't that they didn't flicker last year, and it's so cool now.
I love them. They're amazing.
Good new look, and I think they're pretty cool to add to the school.
Not only do you have those savings, but you get a much better light system. We have exterior lights and parking lot lights are also high wattage bulbs, so we are proactively changing those out. We get better lighting, we get better energy savings, and maintenance loves it because they don't have to replace bulbs.
I think just the excitement of what we have going on and things are improving and just lighting things up around here has been good.